It's time to change the slot tub. Not nearly as bad as the last time. It was too easy. This little rolly thing here makes short work of it. And now we wait. Ah, that's better. Hey puppy, you want to take it for a test drive? Some water? Go put the pig down. Put the pig down. Here, pass me the pig. There you go. I got the pig. Here, drink some water. How's the water? He just wants the pig. That's the water. Get the water. How's the water? Is the water good? He just wants the pig. Okay, we'll test it during the live stream. Good boy.